You're going to absolutely love making $9 every 30 minutes doing this task.
We actually broke 100 subscribers. You're like, you sell some stuff.
Build the income into affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome back. If this is the first time you've ever been to our channel, my name is Ryan. Our channel is Ryan and Sam Hill. Me and my wife actually run this channel. If this is the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notification so you'll be up to date every time that we release a new video. So I know you are here to make yourself some money. So let's go ahead and dive into this opportunity. Go ahead and stick around through this whole entire video like we said before so you can learn all the tips and tricks that we show you along the way. Okay, so this opportunity that we're going to talk to you about today is called playtestcloud.com. This is a website where companies actually come to this platform to try to get people to test their game. Mobile developers and game developers in general will come to playtestcloud.com to actually get players to actually test their game when it's in beta. Okay, so if you're an app developer, more than likely you're not going to be an app developer, you're more than likely going to be a player, and that's what this video is for, to actually show people how you can actually make up to $9 every 15 to 30 minutes. They say they're going to pay $5 to $9 every 15 to 30 minutes. So that's pretty awesome. You can make $20 an hour playing games. So it's a pretty simple process on how you can actually make this kind of money. So let's go ahead and dive into this opportunity. And please let us know down there in comments if you have any success with this opportunity. Go ahead and let us know, because these are the reasons why we put out these kinds of videos. We want to help as many people as possible make money from home, and you can actually make this kind of money playing games from home. It's a pretty cool opportunity. So if you do take advantage of it, or if you're going to start this process, let us know down there in comments that you are going to try this opportunity. We'd really appreciate the comments. We love interacting with the YouTube community. So also leave us a like on the video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification as well, please. Playtestcloud.com is a really awesome idea. So how it works, okay, you set up your playtest in less than 5 minutes. We let the right target audience test your game. Watch and listen to the videos of players playing your game. So the simple process is try out for this, sign up for this, and you actually get games to your inbox. As you play the game, you talk out loud. It actually records your voice. You talk out loud, and this is how the app developers get their feedback. So it's pretty cool. This is right now they're mostly in the US, UK, and Canada. Players play at home on their own devices. All gameplay is video recorded. See where players touch the screen. Players think out loud while they play. This sales page right here is actually for the app developer, but you can actually see, you kind of see what you have to do as a player by reading some of this stuff. So as you can see here, the players are from the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, and they are all fluent in English. They do collect some data from you, so be sure to check this out. It's age, nationality, country of residence, currently played games, favorite games, how many hours they play per week, phone/tablet or browser type that is going to be used for testing the specific game, and then for mobile test, iOS and Android version used for the test. So it's pretty cool opportunity. Full-time job from home.com. I just put in how much does Playtest Cloud pay, and it actually shows they pay between $5 and $9 every 15 to 30 minute test. So it's really pretty cool. So if you were to do this, I don't know, 3 or 4 times a week for an hour while you're at home, you know, it's $18. Multiplied by 5, that's 90. 4 weeks, that's an extra $360 a month. So it's a pretty cool opportunity to make you some extra money from home. This is for the app developer themselves. They pick a minimum play time. Players can play as long as they want. We guarantee 5, 10, 15, 30, and 60-minute minimum game time play, or game play time. Overnight delivery. So as soon as you actually, an app developer signs up for this, they want to test their game, they deliver these games to your inbox, and you have like a very short time to get on there and play. 90% of our playlists finish within 12 to 16 hours. We guarantee delivery within 48 hours. So after you receive the email in your inbox, you're going to have to get straight on it because they want to deliver this back to the app developer within 48 hours. They also need time. They review all the videos for technical issues and offer 100% money back guarantee to the app developer. So make sure that whenever you do get these to your inbox, that you get straight on it. Okay, this is the sign up page. So you just click on the top right hand corner. It says become a tester. Just click on that. Okay, and this is going to be the sign up page. We'll send games to your email address. Number 2, think out loud while you play. Number 3, get paid directly to PayPal. We love getting paid through PayPal, don't we? So this is a great opportunity for you to make $9 every 30 minutes playing video games. Definitely try this opportunity. Let us know down there in comments that you are going to try it. And we're going to be doing this as well. All these apps that we share, we actually do them as well. So it's going to be a great opportunity. I'll try to update you guys, in the next few months as I start doing this. I've already received. I've done a recent video on a survey company, and I have been getting so many surveys. I haven't even had time to do them all. I've done 2 or 3, and I've got several dollars sitting in the account, so I'll be following up on that opportunity with you in a few months. So other than that, that's going to be pretty much the end of this video. Just fill this out. It should be pretty simple. Agree to their terms of service and privacy policies, and yeah, you should start getting games to your inbox. I wish you the best of luck. Again, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet, please go ahead and do that and hit that bell notification. That way you can stay up to date on everything that we do and release for you guys, so you can make some money from home. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.